All right, this just into CNN. Hamas says that it is postponing the next hostage release scheduled for Saturday. It accuses Israel of violating the terms of a ceasefire, including targeting Palestinians in Gaza with shelling and gunfire and failing to allow in enough aid.
Yeah, a very dramatic announcement from Abu Obaida, the spokesman of Hamas's military wing, the Qassam brigades. Obaida says that Israel has violated terms of the ceasefire agreement, pointing to two things in particular. First of all, the delay that happened a couple weeks ago as to the return of Palestinians going to northern Gaza, which Israel attributed to Hamas's violations of the terms of the agreement. And then also this other issue, which seems to be the kind of central sticking point here, which is that Hamas is accusing Israel of not allowing in relief supplies as part of the humanitarian aid that's supposed to get into Gaza, including shelters and heavy machinery equipment, which Hamas is accusing Israel of delaying or simply not allowing in the quantities that were required and expected based off of the ceasefire agreement. And so Hamas is saying that based off of that, it is going to delay the release of the next 3 hostages, which was scheduled for Saturday, until further notice, and, quote, until Israel commits to and compensates for the entitlements of the past weeks retroactively. Now, we have, of course, heard violations, accusations of violations being flung from one side to the other, both Israel and Hamas accusing the others of ceasefire violations, but there's no question that Hamas saying that they will delay the release of the next 3 hostages is perhaps the biggest inflection point yet in this current ceasefire agreement, and certainly threatens to upend it altogether. So we will have to wait and see how Israel responds, but certainly this will be something that Israel takes very, very seriously, in particular in light of the fact that we saw over the weekend the condition in which those 3 male hostages returned to Israel in, looking quite emaciated, and something that has certainly stirred a sense of urgency within Israel about the release of the remaining hostages and concern for their lives as well.